A time when cars weren't just vehicles, they were rolling monuments to style, luxury, and power. These were the days when automakers competed not just for performance, but for size. Chrome gleamed under the sun, V8 engines roared down the highways, and interiors offered the kind of comfort you'd expect from a luxury lounge. But while some of these colossal creations became legends, others faded into obscurity. Today, we're dusting off history to uncover 15 of the biggest old cars you may have never heard of. From jaw-dropping dimensions to unique designs, these vehicles define an era of automotive excess. Number 15. 1976 Cadillac Eldorado Convertible. Advertised as the last American convertible, the Eldorado stretched 224.1 inches and weighed over 5,000 pounds. Inside, it boasted features like 6-way adjustable leather seats and automatic climate control, making it a rolling luxury suite. Under the hood was a massive 500 cubic inch 8.2-liter V8 engine, though its 235 horsepower wasn't quite as bold as its size suggested. Still, the Eldorado symbolized an era when cars were as much about making a statement as they were about getting from point A to B. Number 14. 1977 Dodge Royale Monaco. At 225.7 inches, the Dodge Royale Monaco was all about combining old-school charm with modern luxury. It featured button-tufted seats and optional hidden headlights, giving it a sleek, classy look. Though a popular choice for families and law enforcement, its massive size eventually became a drawback as the market shifted towards smaller vehicles. Number 13. 1973 Imperial Learon. At 235 inches, the Learon was a true land yacht. Its 440 cubic inch, 7.2 liters, V8 engine provided ample power, while the leather seats and premium sound system ensured maximum comfort. Federal bumper regulations added even more length, making it a standout on the road. However, rising fuel prices spelled the end for this era of oversized cars. Number 12. 1975 Buick Electra 225. Stretching to 233.4 inches, the Buick Electra combined luxury with performance. Its 455 cubic inch, 7.5 liters engine was powerful, but emissions regulations reduced its output to 205 horsepower. Despite this, the Electra remained a symbol of 1970s opulence. Number 11. 1973 Chevrolet Impala Custom Coupe. With a length of 221.9 inches, the Chevrolet Impala Custom Coupe was a favorite for long road trips. It came with a 350 cubic inch, 5.7 liters, V8 engine, but those seeking extra power could opt for the 455 cubic inch, 7.5 liters, turbojet engine. Chevrolet marketed it as the perfect car to see America, offering comfort and style for cross-country adventures. Which one surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. Number 10. 1978 Chrysler New Yorker Brougham. At 231 inches, the Chrysler New Yorker was one of the largest cars in its class. Its 440 cubic inch, 7.2 liters, V8 engine delivered smooth power, while features like an AM/FM stereo with a foot-operated search function added a modern touch. However, stricter emissions regulations in California forced Chrysler to scale back its engines, leading to its eventual decline. Number 9. 1978 Ford Country Squire. The Ford Country Squire wasn't just a station wagon, it was a statement. Measuring a staggering 225.7 inches in length, this family car could fit everyone and their luggage with room to spare. Its powerful 460 cubic inch, 7.5 liter V8 engine made it a capable hauler, while the wood grain trim along the sides gave it a signature look. But by the late 1970s, families were shifting to more compact vehicles, and this giant wagon became one of the last of its kind. Number 8. 1970 Buick Electra 225 Nicknamed the Deuce and a Quarter, the Buick Electra measured an iconic 225 inches in length. Its 455 cubic inch, 7.5 liters, V8 engine churned out a whopping 370 horsepower, making it both powerful and imposing. Buick even included its length in the car's name, showcasing just how proud they were of its size. The Electra blended luxury with performance, making it a favorite for those who wanted both style and substance. Number 7. 1976 Cadillac Coupe Deville. This luxury sedan measured 230.7 inches, making it one of the longest Cadillacs ever. Its patented velour interiors and optional cornering lights added to its appeal. With traction control and airbags as optional features, the Coupe Deville was ahead of its time, but its excessive size made it a relic of the past. Number 6. 1972 Lincoln Continental Mark IV. The Mark IV measured 228.1 inches and was known for its bold, square design. It featured unique designer editions by brands like Gucci and Cartier, offering unmatched exclusivity. Its 460 cubic inch, 7.5 liters, V8 engine provided effortless cruising power, making it a favorite among luxury car buyers. Number 5. 1979 Lincoln Continental Town Car. At a jaw-dropping 233.7 inches, the Lincoln Continental Town Car epitomized luxury and excess. Its 460 cubic inch 7.5-liter V8 engine ensured smooth performance, while its padded vinyl roof and opera windows defined 1970s elegance. This car was the pinnacle of size, luxury, and style, marking the end of an era when bigger truly meant better. Number 4. 1974 Oldsmobile 98 LS. The Oldsmobile 98 LS stretched 232.4 inches, making it one of the longest sedans of its time. It featured the powerful 455 cubic inch 7.5-liter Rocket V8 engine, known for its reliability and performance. With its plush interiors and smooth ride, it appealed to luxury car buyers. However, federally mandated bumpers added extra length, and rising fuel prices marked the end of oversized sedans like this. Number 3. 1975 Ford Thunderbird. At 225.7 inches, the Thunderbird from 1975 wasn't just big, it was flashy. Chrome adorned every inch of this luxury coupe, from the bumpers to the mirrors. It was powered by a 460 cubic inch 7.5-liter V8 engine, giving it smooth cruising power. Optional extras, like an 8-track tape player, added to its luxurious vibe. However, its excessive weight and poor fuel economy eventually made it less appealing, but it remains a striking symbol of 1970s automotive design. Number 2. 1979 Lincoln Continental Mark V. The Mark V was luxury on wheels, stretching an incredible 233 inches. Its Cartier-branded dashboard clock and signature round opera windows added to its opulent image. It came with a 400 cubic inch 6.6-liter V8 engine, though it wasn't known for its performance. Instead, it focused on offering an unmatched level of comfort and prestige. Number 1. 1970 Imperial Crown. At 229.3 inches, the Imperial Crown was Chrysler's answer to Cadillac and Lincoln. It featured bench seating as comfortable as a plush sofa and was powered by a 440 cubic inch, 7.2 liters V8 engine. Though luxurious, it struggled to match the prestige of its rivals, and Chrysler eventually discontinued the Imperial line. Who knew cars could be this massive? These 15 vehicles remind us of a time when size and luxury ruled the road. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating dives into automotive history. See you next time.